And my brothers and sisters, I want to introduce the science of Hadith to you so that we are able to understand and fully appreciate the character of Islam as a preserved religion of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. My brothers and sisters, any Hadith which we mention, it actually consists of two parts. The first part is the sanad and the second part is the matan. Sanad is the chain of narration. Chain of narration. For example, we have a hadith in front of us. It's a hadith recorded in Sahih Bukhari. Imam Bukhari is saying, Haddathana Muhammad ibn Bashar. Ki Muhammad ibn Bashar narrated to Imam Bukhari. What? Qala Haddathana Yahya bin Sa'id. He says that Yahya bin Sa'id narrated to him Muhammad bin Bashar. He says Yahya bin Sa'id narrated to him what? Qala Haddathana Shu'ba. Shu'ba narrated to him what? Qala Haddathni Abu Tayyah. Abu Tayyah narrated to him what? And Anas ibn Malik, that Anas ibn Malik said what? And in Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he narrated from the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, Qala yassiru wa la tuassiru, bashiru wa la tunaffiru. Make things easy, don't make them difficult. Give good news, don't turn them away. Now this is the matan, the text of the hadith starts from Qala. Yassiru, this is the text of the hadith. Yassiru wa la tuassiru, bashiru wa la tunaffiru. What we see before that is the chain of narration. Now my brothers and sisters, this chain of narration is the beauty of Islam, that we find the statements of the Prophet ﷺ coming down to us with chains of narration. For example, when we look at Musnad Ahmad, we find all the hadiths from the Sahabi of the Prophet ﷺ, Abdullah bin Amr bin al-As radhiyallahu anhu. He has copied 70 pages from the book of Abdullah bin Amr bin al-As radhiyallahu anhu. But he has copied with a chain of narration that this thing was narrated to me by so and so, so and so, so and so. Now we find that they had this meticulous system. For example, when the Sahifa Sadiqa of Hammam ibn Munabbih, the student of Abu Huraira, when this was discovered, it is still there in the museum in France. All the hadiths in the manuscript of Hammam ibn Munabbih, the student of Abu Huraira, are found in Sahih Bukhari. So what did these muhaddithin do? They compiled the hadiths from earlier scattered sources into major compilations. But they had the system of maintaining the chain of narration. This is the sanad. For example, we find that I am sending a parcel to another city. So there's a person, a pickup boy who comes, picks up the parcel, he goes and takes it to his office. From the office, there's another person who loads it in a truck and takes it to the airport. From the airport, there's another person who takes it and loads it into the aircraft. From the aircraft, it goes to the next city where another person takes it from the aircraft and takes it to the local office. And from that office, there's another delivery boy who takes that parcel from the office and delivers it to the destination. Now this is a chain. If there's any break in the chain, the parcel is lost. Now we need to understand, my brothers and sisters, that these ahadiths come to us with a chain of narration.